bitter taste in his mouth.
Hey, 555, man, I'm telling you, it's all doggone rough and tough in my receive, man. Got a lot of big hammers coming out of Texas, Mr. 555. Old Bellyacre, get away 4-1 one more time. Tipping that coffee cup your way. Mr. 555, Bellyacre just got down, I'm gone. Hello to you, Bad News. Top of the morning, Mr. Bad News. Bellyacre with the wave, right back. Alright there, Bad News, man. Definitely appreciate them flowers. I sure doggone do appreciate them flowers, man. It's all kind of rough and tough up this way. But I appreciate you letting me know this little recycled radio is doing something out that way, at least getting across the street. Mr. Bad News. Ain't nobody but Bellyacre, Ocean City.
Good morning, Mr. Bellyacre. Good morning, Mr. Bellyacre. From your friend, the Traveler. The Traveling Man, 454, West Texas, with a morning wave.
Hey, 454 Traveler, we're waving right back. Mr. 454 the Traveler, we're waving right back. No doubt about it. Top of the morning to you, man. 151 Bellyacre in the sandy shores of Maryland.
We'll ride you on them sandy shores of Maryland. So you sounded great out here in West Texas. Almost welcome to the weekend, coming up pretty quick. Have a safe one. Have a wonderful day. May God bless you. The Traveler said it all the way from West Texas, and we're back quiet.
Alright there, Traveler. Yeah, we're on a downhill slide from now. We're on a downhill slide from here on out. We got through hump day. Now we just got to get through these last two. Mr. Traveler, 151, Bellyacre saying, welcome to the weekend coming up. And I see ya.
We'll ride you, Mr. Bellyacre. We'll ride you. Fortunately, and I do mean fortunately for a Traveler, we retired about 4 years ago. We sure enjoyed it.
Alright, 10-4, I can't wait for that day. I have a feeling I'll be working for the next 20 doggone years, though. 'Cause, well, shoot, man, I got 50 knocking at the door, but, I have a feeling I'll be working till the day I die. Hey, 555, they're letting you in there to talk now. Hey, 555, they're letting you in there. It's been real rough and tough since I fired this doggone thing up.
Well, I think no bad news is getting ready to Skip. Yeah, I believe he is. Yeah, Skip covered old bad news up. Well, he done burned up everything he's got. Burned his power supply up several times. Burned that John boy up 6 times. Now he burned his ex-wife's radio up. So he's got to talk on the little mobile. If he keeps trying to be top dog, keep burning everything up. I wonder if he's starting to feel stupid yet. I wonder if you are. Now, damn fools never feels like that, Traveler. You know, a damn fool keeps being a damn fool. That's all he can be.
Who is? That Bellyacre up here just being a little nosy. I'm hearing you guys with your local talk and just want to see what in the world's going on.
A couple minutes talking old bad news, realize the guy's not very smart. Cleveland, safety police, God bless.